In this video, we will see how OneIDP's extended access policies enables admins to define additional conditional access to SSO configurations. XAP uses device posture and other signals to enforce zero trust access. For configuring XAP, you'll need to navigate to Extended Access Policies under OneIDP. Click on Access Policies and create a configuration. Here, there are 5 different types of restrictions, namely compliance and security, location, IP address, application status, and general. Under security and compliance, you have Veltar compliance status and OS updates and patches based restrictions. Veltar compliance status lets you configure access based on risk status, compliance percentage, and compliance status reported by Veltar. There's also the option to allow or deny access if Veltar compliance status is not reported. That is, if Veltar compliance is not configured. OS update and patches enables you to restrict access based on pending update status on devices. Next is location. Here you can choose to restrict access for managed devices when they move in or move out of the geofence applied to them. For unmanaged devices, you can select a geofence here. The users will be able to access the SSOs only if they allow location permissions on their browser and are inside the geofence. If this option is turned off, SSOs cannot be accessed from unmanaged devices. Under IP address, you can define IP ranges that devices have to connect to in order to access SSOs. For managed devices, you can define private and public IP ranges, but for unmanaged devices, you can only define public IP ranges. Next is application status. This restriction is only applicable for Scalefusion managed devices. Here, you can add applications for different OSs and define application version name based rules to restrict access. You can set it so that the application version name is an exact match or is equal or above it. There are additional options for Android and specific. In Android, we support version names and version code. Under General, the options are specific to managed devices. You can block access to devices that are rooted, jailbroken, or fail device attestation. Allow access to domain-joined Windows devices. You can also set how non-compliant devices are handled. You can either let users self-remediate compliance issues, that is, make the devices compliant, or block access and show the access denied message you have configured in the SSO configuration. Thanks for watching.